So we're going to do a real quick how to use changelly. You go to your app store and you download changelly up here top left corner. You open it up. Now it'll tell you to set up an account or just skip that. I skipped it and then I ended up creating an account. Anyways. So you can buy with a bank card. I assume it's going to take you to the website to do it that way. This is letting you know, not business. You gotta use Simplex. And then you can put how much money you have. And then you can see that they're charging major fees right now. Seeing as a Bitcoin is only not even 9 grand. And there are fees when you're buying with a credit card or you're buying from an exchange. Just shows this one's real simple. So another way you can go in. So if you had 2,500 Bitcoin, you could exchange it and get 37,000 or so Ethereum. Get a floating exchange rate, which gets you your best rate, or you can do fixed rate if you want it done and your thing going right away. Now, the cool thing about this, you go here. So you have your own wallet or multi-wallet or a cold storage wallet or something like that, and you just put your address in here for each one of the coins that you have a wallet for. And then how it works is that once you purchase them or you trade for them, it goes right to that address, so nothing's here. It's pretty decentralized outside the fact that you gotta buy with a bank card. But maybe you had some Bitcoin and you wanted to turn it into some Ethereum. You would use the Bitcoin address that you have linked, and it would do that for you. And then it would end up in the Ethereum address that you had set. I'm pretty sure that you can also keep it on here. I've never used it like that. I have used changelly in decentralized exchanges that it's hooked up to, like Atomic Wallet and Engine Wallet. They kind of use changelly. Also, my cold storage wallet as well. So that's on changelly, and then go for Atomic Wallet. Download that in your Play Store. This is a decentralized exchange. It's also a multi-coin wallet. This is a bare wallet. There's gonna be nothing in it. Apparently, I need a password still. That's the only way you can get in to your accounts. When you set it up, they'll ask you for a password. So this is a pretty decent app for atomic swaps. I mean, you literally have, you can at least hold virtually everything within this app. And when it comes to exchanging, there are minimums there are certain coins don't mix with exchanging back and forth between. As you can tell, the market took a nice dip today, which I was planning on. I did not sell. I took a profit coin though and converted it into a lowering Bitcoin. Stack sats. And the cool thing about here is it tells you about the staking. So there's coins that you can hold on here and you'll receive rewards for. Almost all of these you'll receive same type of rewards in whatever wallet you're holding these coins in. But this gives you a good breakdown, information of how to gain these rewards. Like VeChain, you just hold it. Algorand, you just hold it. NeoGas, you just hold it, and once a month it gets deposited, or you can claim it as you see it. It's only 1.4% for gas. Ontology gas 5.6%. Tron's 5%. And you also get rewards like this Wink and BitTorrent. Tezos 7%. You're better off here than on Coinbase. And Atom is 10, and actually it varies. When you go to stake, it gives you different options of who you're wanting to stake with. It's not finding any validator, so 10.16% on that one. So that's also cool. Gives you your history here. That's the exchange. You can also buy with a card, 5% fees. Whatever you want. Right through here. Keeps you a little bit more private. Now there was something else on here. You go up in here. You can connect a wallet. I did do that. Get airdrop. Not really worth anything. Makes you feel better. Go ahead and do that. Private keys. This is the main thing. So all your keys for your wallets are all stored here. They have no access to them, so they can never take any of your coins or do anything. And that's what makes these decentralized exchanges and wallets pretty good. So they're all here. So you can go in and you could offline, you could print them all out or write them all down. And you can take those keys. Those are your wallets for those coins no matter what. You can really open them up on any other device or any type of kind of wallet. That gives you that option, which is most. So that's pretty cool because you own your keys there. Yeah, those are those two. There's no, you just come up with a password and save your passphrase. Yeah, and that's it. There's your backup. You'll save that so that if you ever change devices or want to put in another device, you use your backup. And this is my keys for every one of these wallets. Now we're not going to click on any of them. I mean, you've never even used this. This is literally just for this. But maybe I'll keep it. Because I need a new secret one. But anyways, that's that wallet. I think that we're going to call that video that on this. And just go with the changelly and the atomic. So changelly is decentralized, but it's kind of centralized, so it's like an in-betweener. The atomic is completely decentralized. But that was it. Thank you.